Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically share and boost engagement on a Facebook livestream, completely hands-free. First, grab the ID of the livestream you want to promote. Then open software, select the Share Livestream feature, and paste the livestream ID into the box. Next, configure a few key settings like adding livestream reactions, entering the comment you want to appear on the livestream, and setting the number of viewers you want after the stream is shared. Don't forget to prepare a short caption or post content to go along with the shared livestream. Finally, select your list of Facebook accounts and hit start. The software will automatically log into those accounts, share the livestream for you, react, and drop your custom comments all exactly the way you set it. If you find this tool helpful, don't hesitate to reach out to me for a full user guide. See you in the next video.